Can something as simple as smile actually make you happier? The answer is yes. When you smile, your brain releases chemicals called dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals help improve your mood and reduce stress. What's even more interesting is that smiling is contagious. When someone else sees you smile, they're more likely to smile too. This creates positive effect that can spread from person to person. Studies have shown that smiling can help you feel more confident, improve social connections, and even make a difficult situation feel a little easier. So the next time you're feeling stressed or having a bad day, try smiling for a few seconds. It may seem small, but your brain might think for it. A simple smile can go a long way. Follow for tomorrow's 1 minute fact.